You, Comrade Chinomona, are an ultimate embarrassment to Zimbabwe, including ZANU-PF. How can the President of the Senate of an entire country involve herself in a radio station's funny poll about Person of the Year, while more than 2.5 women are dying during childbirth? The biggest hospital has only one maternity theater. The whole country has no single working radiotherapy cancer treatment machine. Unemployment stands at over 90%. Citizens receive only 2 to 4 hours of electricity per day, and the country is facing an open succession war. Sabina mashoko yacho Marbel Chinomona achizoona kutukire misiredi awa panguva inoi angorana a just a funny poll muZimbabwe. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Hope uchiona nindambira chiti you are determined to embarrass not only the country but also your boss and the president by publicly fighting over a radio station poll. This is political and media illiteracy of the highest order. ZFM is a youth radio station. Its audience is largely young and unemployed people. It is therefore natural that its listeners would relate to and support Fadzai Maire, a young lawyer they see as speaking to their lived realities and struggles. You have some shame, madam, and focus on statecraft, radio polls, not radio polls. For the president of a country's senate to threaten a radio presenter with persecution over a light-hearted poll is a new law for Zimbabwe. It reflects a complete lack of emotional intelligence, a deep misunderstanding of media and youth culture, and political bankruptcy. Shame on you. For the avoidance of doubt, I had not seen your tweet. A regional foreign affairs minister asked me, what is going on? Stop the childish 4-year-old behavior. We have sunk from the gutter into the sewer. You are internationalizing your lack of common sense and embarrassing yourself on the global stage. A whole ruling party getting hot under the collar over a fun radio poll. Shame on you. Ndo mashuka nobuda nyoko pangwa ino ina Marbel Chinomona achiti aiwa vanhu vanonyasa kurwadziwa aiwa naFadzai Maire achiwana the Zimbabwean of the Year Awards. Pinda comment section medu nzwa funguro able to deep pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.